Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my space. I love gathering. I love people sitting on the table and eating. I love serving people and entertaining them. As a little child, I always recreate my food. I always want it to be different from what is being served. Then, as I grew up, I learned from other people, going to their houses and learning what they serve in their family. As I grow into a young lady and in college, I realized that cooking is not meant for me alone. I needed to share with people. So when I make meal, I always want to serve someone. And it brings joy to my heart when I see the expression in their faces when they derive satisfaction in what they eat. From there, I realized I started dreaming how I'm going to serve my own family when I grow up. I started dreaming on how I'm going to express my food, my love for cooking to them, and hopefully they will enjoy my meal. How I'm going to serve the table, how I'm going to, just making cooking time happy time, because I really want every of my children to know how to cook. Now, coming to YouTube space, I want to document my cooking. I want to learn more. I want to be able to share my skill with people. So on this space, we are going to have a lot of fun. It's not going to be a one-way thing, it's going to be a two-way thing. I'm going to learn from you, you are going to learn from me. We will share experiences and we communicate. So if you are all about entertaining, putting smile in your family faces, let's do something together. Come on board on this space, subscribe, like, comment, and share this page with family and friends. Tell loved ones to join this group, to join this channel, and let's build. Thank you.